Namaskar. Soups, flavorful and nutritious, easy to make, keeps you healthier, stronger and happy. Today we are going to learn how to make broccoli and roasted almond soup. The ingredients required to make this soup are broccoli, butter, onions, garlic, celery, salt, white pepper powder, roasted almonds, cream and some water. To begin with, heat up the pan, add butter, chopped onions, chopped garlic, sweat onion and garlic, add celery, add the florets of broccoli, add some salt, some white pepper powder, add water and allow to simmer for 20 minutes. Once simmers, broccoli is cooked. A blend. Now put in the blender. Blend the when it is blended smoothly, transfer into a pan. Add little water and adjust the consistency of the soup. Adjust the seasoning with salt and some white pepper powder. Finish with some cream. Now the soup is ready to serve. Now serve hot. And garnish with toasted almond flakes and